Hey guys, this is Misty Craft. Sorry for not uploading a while. With all the sickness going around, it's made it a lot harder to. But anyway, I know this isn't horse related, but I thought it'd be cool if I did other things on my channel, like fish things, and which I do love doing lots of stuff that related with fish and plants. So I thought it'd be cool if I did an unboxing. So this is a Top Fin Underwater Worlds Imagine 2.5 gallon, and I thought I would unbox it and review, and then in the future I could do more videos about this tank and all my other tanks if you guys enjoy it, and if you can hear that little humming, that's from one of my other tanks. So this tank comes with bright white lead, the gallon tank and hood, filter, you only get one though, and well, the filter, that's the cartridges, and then a divider, which is like its special thing, which I think is pretty cool. Things I like about tanks like this is where they have a normal color light, because my other tank doesn't have that. So now I am filming with one hand, so it makes it a little bit harder. So let's open it. Now the first thing we see is the lid. And if you guys do want me to make more videos like this and give you updates on this tank when I have it set up with fish in it, or I could do vlogs about getting the fish, leave a like on this video and comment down below. So the first thing you see is the hood. Looks really nice. Hopefully this is not damaged. Wow, it's pretty big. So let's see, here's the divider. Nice. And here's our instructions. We'll need to keep these. And our filter. Then I'm guessing this is the lights. And here is our tank. Which I think it looks really nice. Now, see, I am going to be getting a beta for this tank, and which I think that everybody is a little bit different with how they think they should keep betas, but I think they should at least be kept in a gallon tank or a little bit higher, which this would give each side of the beta of 1/4 of the tank. So yeah, and I think this looks pretty cool. I will give you updates on this tank, I guess, on how I like it, and if I think you guys should get one, if you have fish or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry not for uploading a while. I will be trying to upload some more videos other than this. But yeah, bye!